Welcome to our channel. Today we how to freeze credit with Experian via Chase protection setup step by step clearly. To freeze your credit with Experian via Chase, begin by logging into your Chase account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the Credit Freeze option within the menu. Click on Credit Freeze to proceed. You will be prompted to select which credit bureau you want to freeze. Choose Experian from the list of available options. After selecting Experian, read the provided information about credit freezing. Click on the button to initiate the freeze process. You may need to verify your identity through a multi-factor authentication process. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the required information. This may include your social security number, date of birth, and address. Once your identity is verified, you will be given the option to set a unique PIN or password. Make sure to write this PIN or password down and store it securely. After successfully setting your PIN, confirm that you want to proceed with freezing your Experian credit. Review the summary of your credit freeze request before finalizing the process. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification that your credit freeze is active. Keep in mind that you will need this PIN to lift the freeze in the future. You can now close the browser window or log out of your Chase account. Your credit with Experian is now effectively frozen, enhancing your security against identity theft. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.